This is Bob. Bob's having some trouble with algebra, so we're going to show him a couple things about this. Right? First thing Bob needs to know is that if you have an equation such as 4x plus 3 equals 7, you want to find out what x is. X can be any number. That makes the equation true. Okay, so whatever number we plug into this and solve the equation out, it has to equal 7. Do you understand, Bob?
Yes.
So, what we need to do here is use the order of operations, which is parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Now, Bob, if you are multiplying something, what is the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
Right. So these two are opposites. Now, what is the opposite of addition?
Subtraction.
Right. These are opposites. So our goal to find out what x is we want to get x by itself. Okay? So, alright, on one side. Okay? Now to do that, we use the opposite operations to get rid of x. Okay? So what's the first thing that we're going to do you think? Can we get rid of the 4? Or do we have to get rid of the 3? Or get rid of the 7?
Get rid of the 3.
Okay? So to do that, we're going to do the opposite of addition. The opposite is?
Subtraction.
Subtract 3. Now, big thing to remember is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. Okay? So if we subtract 3 here, we have to subtract 3 on this side. These subtract out to 0, so that goes away. What is 7 minus 3?
4.
So our new equation is 4x equals 4. Now we have 4 multiplied times x. So what's the opposite of multiplication?
Division.
So we want to divide by 4. Divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4?
1.
Right. So these go away because that's just 1. So this is 1 times x equals, again, 4 over 4 is
1.
1. And 1 times x would just be x. So x equals 1. Now, an important thing to do if you're not sure is to go and take what you got for x and plug it back into your original equation. We have 4 times 1 plus 3 equals 7. Right? Remember, you have to use order of operations, which tells us we're going to multiply and divide before we add and subtract. So what's 4 times 1?
4.
And 4 plus 3?
And 7.
So x is 1.